Hi everyone, my name is Chris here at ISE 2026 at the Elgato booth. I'm a member of the Elgato staff, and I am here today to talk to you about the new GALLEON 100 SD, the brand new keyboard. It's a mixture of a Corsair mechanical keyboard and a Stream Deck replacing the numpad. It's an amazing keyboard, really vibrant keys here where the numpad used to be, completely customizable. If you're familiar with Stream Deck, it is a Stream Deck at its core. You have 12 keys here, you have a display, and you have two dials at the top which allow you to have, adjust volume. You can hold to go to different sections. You can hold to go to Spotify. Scroll the section here to go through different pages, up to 10 pages like with any Stream Deck. It really is the ultimate accompaniment to your mechanical keyboard. It's on sale now at Corsair.com and Elgato.com, so if you're interested, get yours today. It's all the rage here at ISE 2026.